The vision of research at Baycrest is to understand what is it that predicts healthy brain aging. Obviously, there's many facets to that, understanding how things in cognition like memory and attention and executive functions change as we age, how that interacts with mood and emotion, and how we can maintain health across the lifespan. Obviously important to understand how it naturally proceeds, but also how it might be compromised through different brain-related diseases and disorders. So using the basic science, we can understand the processes themselves, how they're instantiated in the brain, but then use that information to predict what is it that predicts successful aging, but also what predicts decline. And using the markers that we identify to help someone stave off that decline, but also potentially treat it. So we can identify the causes here, identify the neural correlates here, do the clinical application here, but also be able to translate that outside the walls of Baycrest as well.